We're here at the lodge, trying to find our room. And of course our room is down the end.
It's shiny.
That's what I just thought downstairs. Yay. I was afraid I'm gonna walk in on someone. Oh, it's hot in here. Well, I'm a little disappointed.
Why?
First of all, let's put on the light. I don't know where the lights are.
It's all the lamps. There's no light in the ceiling.
I ordered something for the room and it's not here.
What'd you order?
I don't want to tell you now. Here is bed number
This
1.
lamp doesn't work.
Oh, I'm mad. Let's see where the car is. Oh my god! There's the car! By the way, there's the pool. Oh, that's so mean. I want to be in that pool. Alright, we got a cool view though. And the park is right there.
If you paid for something to be in,
Oh, yes I did.
you better call them.
Here's some cups. Oh my god, is there no refrigerator? Oh, I got this room because of the refrigerator.
There's no fridge.
Okay, I'm pretty much panicking right now.
Well, you better call them.
I am. Before we get comfortable.
Oh, it's under here.
Oh, I was about to. Didn't that look like small drawers? All right, let's check out the bathroom. Sorry about the panic attack, but I am still going to call them because we didn't get our delivery. Nice counter space, Sneak. Come here, you have to see what's on the wall. Take a peek what's on the wallpaper.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Isn't that adorable, guys? Kisses. Nice shower. There's the hair dryer.
What's the hair dryer about a shower?
Hershey soap. Cocoa infused. Oh yes, I brought my Dove, but I'm here at the lodge and they didn't bring me my stuff. Good amount of hangers. Extra blankie, standard but big closet. But yeah, the room's nice size, right? I guess you're claiming that bed?
I sat on it, so
And that's that.
that's that.
That is that. This is the room, and I was not about to go get ice. I'm a snob. I want my waters ice cold in the fridge, and I'm very glad that Nikki opened this before I made a phone call.
Yes, they don't even have the biscuits and sausage burger on this menu.
Oh, there's our gift. It's in the fridge. Pull it out.
What'd you get?
I want you to have something.
What is this? Oh my god. Chocolate covered strawberries.
Let me get a good view of it over here with the...
Oh yes.
Treat us to something. I was about to fight with them. Guys, you have to understand the Jersey in me comes out when I don't get what I order. But it's here. Look at that. They put Hershey Kisses in there with it.
That's mine.
Oh, I want that one.
Who says you're having? Oh, that's why you talked about strawberries.
I asked, I
before.
said, you do like strawberries, right?
That's the weirdest thing ever.
Oh, it says it right here. I'm so blonde. I'm such a jerk. Please enjoy a very special amenity which is located in your refrigerator. Have a sweet day. Thank you, whoever brought that up. Here's the room key to come in. I love it. Nikki, look what's in here. So that means they have their coffee. I mean, you can have another one downstairs. I'm going to show you guys the lobby. Not the lobby, the stuff downstairs later, but she wants that eventually. Hey, I was going to do my makeup there tomorrow morning. Not no mo. So yeah, this is nice. I'm gonna put the little room occupied sign out. Hopefully no one's next to us. So we have Hershey Lodge shampoo, conditioner, and lotion. We have a shower cap. I always take these and then I never use them. Oh, makeup remover, I need that. And Hershey Lodge cups. I'm very happy. I like everything here. As you guys know, Nikki and I are supposed to be in Disney this weekend. Plans changed, and I'm really happy here. Again, the bathroom when you walk in. Here's the room, and we are in the kissing. Is it the kissing tower? Kiss tower? We're looking for the room. Oh, Nikki found the Bible. Open it up. Open it up.
Are these all for me?
Well, I'm gonna have one.
Okay.
We can keep them in the fridge for tomorrow too. I want to try one of these cocoa ones.
Oh.
What? that. Welcome to Hershey, everybody. We're tired sisters. We're going to bed. See you tomorrow. There are kids screaming in the hallway, but otherwise, can you lift up that? We just had room service come. Nikki got hash browns galore. Girl, ooh, there's my breakfast.
Yeah, but she's still doing it.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
You don't get to look at it.
Put that on my bed.
I just got hash browns.
I need to see what it looks like. Ooh, biscuits and gravy, y'all. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And of course, all the little accompaniments. And a pot of coffee for this girl. Not me, Nikki. Out here, we woke up to a very cloudy morning. But there's Hershey Park. Let's get the day started Monday morning. What? Guys, look what came with our freaking breakfast. That is so beautiful. And it's romantic even though we're sisters.
How many freaking Hershey bars am I leaving with?
Oh my god, I can't have them. Sneaky gets all the Hershey bars. Look at that. Wait, what does this say? When you are finished with your meal, oh, have a sweet day. I love it here. So guys, if you put on this channel in the hotel, in the room here at the lodge, they just show the story of Milton Hershey from the time he was born up until he died, and it's his whole biography. That's Milton's father. But we watched this, is like our third time watching it while we had our room service. But I wanted to show you guys something. This picture on the wall, it's like hidden Mickeys. I thought it was just like rocks in the water last night. Can you find, well, the York Peppermint Patty kind of stands out, right? But can you find the Reese's and the Hershey bar? Those are the only other ones I found. Cool. This one doesn't have anything. We inspected it. So awesome. Can you find it? There's the Reese's and there's the Hershey bar. Sheets have Hershey, the pillowcases have Hershey Kisses on them. Those are upside down Hershey Kisses.
The sheets, they might have it too.
They might. I saw them selling the pillowcases though, and the sheets do have them.
See?
We slept in Hershey. I love this place, guys. So as I mentioned before, oh, you already took that Hershey bar away. I freaking love this lodge. Aside from the fact that there were kids screaming in the hallway, and the hallway area is very loud, but we were already awake. I had to go out and tell kids to like, shh, go back in your room. Other than that, this place is awesome. It's awesome here. So we're gonna take you to the zoo. We're gonna take you to the trolley ride, hopefully, Fenici's. We have a whole day ahead of us. I'm not gonna show you the casino. It's like 8 miles away, so I gotta hit that up.